Welcome, today in front of me OPPO Find X5 Lite and I'll show you how to link or unlink Google Assistant from power button on our OPPO device. So just to do that, we should first open the settings application and then scroll down to the system settings. After that, scroll a little bit more down and you'll see here Wake Google Assistant with power button. So just to use this option, we should click here once on the switcher, and now just by press and hold the power key, we can use Google Assistant. As you can see, that's so simple. And just if you want to turn off this option, you should click here on the switcher once again. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.